Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's video, we'll explore a powerful feature, how to filter posts by a custom taxonomy on an archive page using the MB Views extension from MetaBox. This feature is perfect for websites that need advanced search options, like blogs with categorized articles, e-commerce stores with product filters, or event listings grouped by specific themes. From my experience building websites for various industries, especially online travel agencies, OTAs, I know how essential this feature is. For instance, users often filter hotels by location to find exactly what they need quickly. To have it, we'll create taxonomies for a custom post type, and also create a search box that allows users to search for posts based on the name of the taxonomy. Let's take a look at the tools we need for this tutorial. First of all, I recommend using MetaBox All-in-One, which includes the framework and all extensions. These are the extensions you may want to activate. The first one is MB Admin Columns, allowing you to add a column in the dashboard to display each hotel's location. This extension is optional, but the key ones is MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomies, which you'll need to create a custom post type for hotels and a custom taxonomy for locations. And MB Views for creating a template for the archive page, where you can add functionality to filter posts by taxonomy. Let's start now. As I mentioned earlier, we'll start by creating a new custom post type named Hotel, and the information of each hotel will be saved as a post of that post type. Then, I'll create a custom taxonomy for that post type to categorize the hotels based on their locations. Now, go to MetaBox to create a new custom post type for the hotels. After publishing, you'll see the created custom post type here. Next, still in the MetaBox screen, create a new taxonomy for location information. In the Advanced tab, pay attention to this setting. It's available when you activate the MB Admin Columns extension. It's optional, so I did not mention it before. When you check it, there'll be a column in the dashboard to show the hotel's location so that you can compare the results conveniently. Move to the Post Types tab. Choose the hotel to assign the custom taxonomy that we've created to that post type. Now, in the post editor of the hotel post type, we'll see the taxonomy section where we can enter the hotel location. Just fill in all the information. These are some posts, for example, that I created. The location as well as the taxonomy is also displayed in the admin dashboard. Note that I just entered a few sample locations as an example. In reality, you'll probably have a large set of location data across multiple levels, such as countries, provinces, cities, or regions. That time, instead of adding them manually, you should import the data directly into the location taxonomy to save time. Before creating a search box, we need to make sure that the archive page can already display all the posts, all the hotels. First, go to Meta Box, Views, and create a new template specifically for this purpose. With MB Views, you can insert fields into it by clicking this button, then choosing any fields on the right sidebar to get data from them, or by adding some lines of code directly to the Template tab. This whole line is used to query and display posts from a specific post type sorted by publish date. Particularly, it declares that we'll get posts from the post type with this slug. And this helps fetch all posts in that post type. You can change the number to get the expected number of posts. Next, use this function to get the posts. Since we have multiple posts, use a loop to display all of them. For displaying the hotel's information, just click the button I mentioned earlier, and then insert fields inside the loop. Choose Post Title to show the hotel name. To show the hotel image, find Post Thumbnail in the list. You also can set the output of it. The code will be generated automatically in the template. Next, this code gets all the location terms assigned to the current post. This line checks if the variable has any value or not. Next, start a loop to go through each term inside. Now, insert the term name from this section, which means the display name of each taxonomy term. After inserting all the fields, move to the Settings section to set where this template will appear. Set the type as Archive, and choose the location as the archive you created earlier for the hotel listings. On the front end, you'll see all the hotel information displayed. However, it appears as a basic list without any styling for now. To make it look more visually appealing, we need to apply some styling. Back to the Template tab, add some div tags and classes for styling, and modify the code. And move to the CSS tab to add some lines of code. Now, the hotel listings look much better. Let's move on to creating the search box and adding its functionality. Back to the template created by MB Views, let's add some code to display the search box and filter options for the hotel listings. This first script loads jQuery to handle events and dynamically update the HTML content. Then, use these codes to create a search box where users can type keywords and filter hotel listings in real time. This includes an input box for location, a suggestion drop-down, and a search button that filters hotels by the selected location. Turn to the CSS tab and add styles to make the search section look cleaner. It looks nice now, but we still need to make it work. In the template again, here add this line of code to create an empty array. This array will collect all location taxonomy names from the post, convert them to lowercase, and store them in that array. It's later used to add a data location attribute for easier JS filtering. Next, this code creates a hidden list of all locations, which is used for the autocomplete feature in the search box. When users start typing a location, JavaScript suggests matching ones. Now, switch to the JavaScript tab. Add the main script to handle the filtering of the posts. Go through it in more detail. First, this part retrieves all the location items from the hidden HTML list and stores them as an array of location IDs and names. Here, we declare variables for the search input, the suggestion list, and the selected location. This function clears all list items and hides the suggestion box. This code checks if the user's input has at least 2 characters. If not, it stops. Otherwise, it filters the locations whose names include the input text, shows up to 20 results, and displays them in the suggestion box. This function goes through all elements with the class and gets their data location attribute. If the text entered matches one of these locations, the hotel is shown, otherwise it's hidden. This is the main filtering logic. It controls which hotels are visible based on the selected or typed location. As the user types, it clears the previous selection and refreshes the suggestions instantly. When a user clicks on one of the suggested locations, that location's name is filled into the input box and the suggestions list disappears. If the user clicks anywhere outside the input box or the suggestion list, the suggestion box is cleared and hidden. After clicking the search button, the code takes the selected location and shows matching hotels. Finally, if the user presses enter, it works the same as clicking the search button. It stops the form from submitting and clears the suggestions. That's all for the code. You can refer to the GitHub for more details. On the front end, enter a location in the search box, then only the hotels in that location will be returned and displayed on the page. In this way, you can create similar filters to search for hotels or posts by any criteria. You can apply it flexibly to create more filtering features for your website. Hope this tip is helpful for you. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to play around with meta box and taxonomies, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!